Okay, so here is the sewer camera. Okay, we've got a monitor. We can actually see what we're looking at. You saw him drop the camera, the actual camera head, into the sewer line. You can see this is PVC pipe here, and that is actually a PVC connection to cast iron. And he's pulling it back a little bit. You can actually see a couple of fittings right there. One spot where there is a T. Okay, and he's sending that pipe on that camera on down through the pipe. Okay, this camera also has a locator on the end of it, so we can turn that locator on and we can actually determine exactly where that camera head is under the slab. This is very useful in leak location. A sewer camera should not be used as a primary tool to actually locate a leak, but we can use it as a secondary tool by putting test balls in the line and actually testing separate sections of the pipe. And what we can then do is use the camera to actually aid us in the process of putting the test balls where we want them to be and actually determining exactly where the test balls are. Okay, again, the camera should not be used as a primary leak location tool, because what may look like a leak on a camera may not be leaking, and vice versa. Okay, so please be careful in that situation. Okay, now what we are going to also show you here, okay, you can actually see the camera going into the line, and we can send it as far as we want to in the line, or as far as it will allow us to. Okay, what we're going to show you here is a simulation situation. Okay, we're putting this test ball with an air hose attached to it, inserting that into the line, okay, with the camera behind it, okay, and we'll send that into the line. There you can actually see the hole that we cut into the pipe there as an inspection deal to kind of show you what was going on. Okay, we're sending that on through the line, and we'll get it down there towards the end of this pipe. You can actually see a fitting there where one piece of pipe comes together with another pipe. Okay, and this is PVC. As you can tell, with the cast iron, it's extremely difficult to see inside of there, but with PVC, it is easier. Okay, and some cast iron pipes are better than others on visually looking in the line. Okay, and we will get this test ball to the end of the line. Okay, and you can see what's going on in there. Okay, very, very useful tool. Sewer camera is a very useful tool and helps in a lot of ways, especially in leak detection. Okay, seeing something stopped up in the line, seeing a toy in there, whatever the case may be. Okay, now what you're about to see is how we would actually locate that line. We can again turn on the locator, and then we can actually, with the signal that that locator sends out, actually locate that line with this special locating device. Okay, now we've already located the line, and the line runs right where that tape is. Okay, and so we can actually he's just basically simulating what the situation would be there and how we would actually locate that line.